Hello everyone! Here I will present or explain on the topic of theories and concept local economic development. What is the concept of local economic development like? Okay, let me explain straight away. Theory and the concept of local economic development. Defining development local economy. Local economic development is achieved by maintaining and improve people living standard, thrive, and equitable human and physical development and sustainable. Three important elements for of the definition of economic development sustainable local. Number one, economic development sets living standards minimum for everyone and raises standard from time to time. Number two, economic development reduces inequality. Number three, economic development and create as of resources, sustainable power and production. There are several theories regarding local economic development. Theory, growth and development. Neoclassical economic theory, basic economy theory, product side theory, location theory, and central place theory. Explanation from theory neoclassical economy. Theory neoclassical economy. This theory offers two main concepts for regional and local development is balanced economic system and capital mobility. Balanced and natural economic systems occurs if capital flow without burden from high-cost areas to areas at low cost, because in this low-cost area offers a high rate of return on investment power. In local development, this means that the ghetto will be attract capital due to property purchase and sometimes labor is lower compared to the price in market as a whole. If this model runs with perfect, then all regions will gradually exhibit equal status in the economic system. Theory economic basis. Priorities support for business with national and international market. Focus on business with national and international markets through the incentives and transportation subsidy and strengthen local economy. This encourages the growth of export industry, increase income and create jobs. Focus on developing basic economy models and entrepreneurship or high stage. Priorities potential sector to become a base the new economy helps reduce dependence on traditional thought, increasing resistance to change and economic decision for long-term resilience. Explanation. Theory product cycle. Renan Fernand's product cycle theory. Initially, new product were developed in capital area, then enter the mass market. Over time, product becomes standardized, replacing specialized production with mass production, lowering waste and skills. Production can switch to underdeveloped economy. The influence of position on the product cycle on company and its prospect. Position in the prospect cycle affects a company and its prospect. Industries with rapid change such as electronic require rapid adaptation will more sustainable industry, such as investment banking, they tend to specialize. Next explanation, theory location. Location theory in location selection company. Company choose location based on production costs and delivery. If the final product is there, the location is selected and the search input by sending product to the market. If the final product is more weak, location is selected in the market with delivery of production input. Growth theory by products. This theory emphasizes that economic growth is created by an industry or company that domicile is therefore known. Just move to an area with the cost or cheaper. Industry driver who excel in technology and would can be a center of growth, not always related to area preference. Okay. Lastly, there is theory. Theory central place. A central place that is central. Central place are centers of economic, social, and politics that provides goods and service to residents and visitors who deliberately come to enjoy the existing service. Place more place in favor of central place. A number of small places spread across an area served in local or regional needs in providing a variety resources of goods and services. Translating the theory into in practice. Economic development theory influences practice as follows. Attraction model. It is an approach or strategy that aids in attracting investment interest as will individual attention to invest in activities economic in particular region. New market model. A is an approach of strategy as by a company introduce new product or service to the market so that it becomes an effective strategy for a company that wants to look for new growth opportunities. Theories, model, and methods in economic development planning local. In local economic development planning, there are theory, model, and models that can be done assist in designing strategy and policies effective and improve welfare community of the local level. There are two known theories introduced are Melbourne Blue Ocean Theory 2004, which is focused on companies that create new markets. Creative class theory, they focus on people as drivers of development economy. Next, economic evolution sustainable. Development theory become a local practice. Exciting development theories must develop in order to reflect change in economic structure and maintain relevance to local economic development activities. In this book, we have reformulated the concept emphasized by various theories such as locality theory, business and economic base, employment resources and resources society, to create a new foundation for local economic development. Locality theory. In the latest concept of locality theory, technology has distorted the traditional view of physical location as the main determining factor of development. Location is no longer the main factor which attracts attention in local economy. Development model, new economic development and factors the quality of the local physical and social environment. Development recreation, housing, and social institutions of a community can be the main determinant of economic survival, because building good social and institutional network will create an infinite environment for good company. Business theory and basic economy. The basic economy model is highly approved dependent sectoral impact on economic development. This effort concentrates today on transactions in the economic system, comparing all today failures and shortcomings of the system where the transactions take place. This approach is based on that the local economy should maximize its internal institutional relationship in the public sector and private. Next year is field resources work. Neoclassical models assume the wage levels are low and costs are already safe enough to create jobs. Of them, while there exists unlimited additional opportunities. Companies recruit based on numbers the job offer without resort to skill level biggest fight. Companies in developed countries need skilled workers high and ready to pay for them, releasing the need to invest in training they ensure the availability workforce. Resources quality local people or demand different for the industry, with a strong base encouraging the arrival of the companies of the migration of existing companies. Community resources. In the classical model, the economy is developed by representative business organizations. Corporate interests in the region have built in the new economy. Economic development requires collaboration between various organizations representing diverse community interests. There includes government, business organizations, workforce development organizations, and community-based organizations that must work together to ensure the necessary prerequisites for development economy. The responsibility for carrying out economic development is no longer just done in the one organization, but in a virtual organization consisting of all parties involved can contribute to the success of a particular project. Take consideration the point a discussion on local economic development is an effort to improve community welfare by means of pay attention to and the improve living standards in order to reduce inequality between groups. The aim is the create sustainable economic condition, paying attention to resources and production sustainable and empowering local community. Theories of growth and development are divided into such a neoclassical theory, economic basic theory, production theory, and location theory. These theories provide as few factors such as market demand, product innovation, and location that influence the economic development of a region. The theory of development influences practice of the attraction model and the new market model. That's the explanation of the topic of local economic development theory. I hope we can understand it well and give it in a lesson. Sorry if there